How to make your absence felt. Hi, I'm Amy Colgan-Niemeyer, a life coach, a diva coach. Okay, you can make your presence known, or you can make your absence felt. That's even more powerful. Okay, how do you do that? Well, do little things for people that you know that they'll appreciate, but maybe they don't get to experience it very much. You could offer to help them with something that you're really good at and they're not so good at. Not rubbing it in or making them feel stupid or anything, but just saying, well, if you know there's something they're having trouble with, say, well, I can help you with that. Can I try? Let's see if we can work together on it. Or you could surprise them with their favorite chocolates or a favorite book that they haven't gotten yet. They can't wait to get this book, but they just haven't had a chance to get it yet. Surprise them with it. Sit and chat. Let them know that you're there for them. Just about anything. I mean, they could share a problem with you or just chat about everyday things. Just anything. Just to let them know that you care, that you're there to listen. Run an errand for them. Maybe they're feeling under the weather or they've got a time crunch in their schedule. It's so busy they can't get to certain things. Offer to do it for them. Listen. Really, there's not much better to me than knowing somebody's listening to me and really cares and that I really matter to them. And so listening is very powerful and it means a lot to people. So lend an ear to someone. Let them know that you care and that they matter. Accept the person for who they are, without judgment, without ridicule, without shaming them. Simply accept them for who they are. And be honest. And maybe you think, well, if I'm honest, I would tell them that I really hate their idea. No, you can be accepting of them and their ideas or their plans, etc., because it's their plans. It's nobody else's business. If they want to do it, they can do it. And even if you don't agree with it, they're their plans. So it's different. Being honest is being honest in general. Like, don't be lying to them all the time. I mean, one little white lie once in a while, we all do that to protect someone in a way that really it's not protecting someone who terrible way. It's just protecting them in a way that really it's not crucial that they know the absolute truth in that situation. It would hurt them more to know the truth than it would help them. So, but in general, I'm saying be honest with how you feel and be honest how you feel about them and situations and show up on time. That's part of honesty. That's part of, it's reliability, honesty. Just be a general good friend, good loved one who really puts them at the forefront and tell them that they matter to you. Show them that they matter to you. So that's what I'm saying. There's times when you may have different feelings. If it's strong enough, that's the thing that you really have to look at. If it's not any big deal and you don't agree with them, but it's not a big deal, you're not, losing sleep over it, okay. But if it is something that is a values issue or a huge issue, you need to be honest with the person about it, and honest in a nice way, in a respectful way, and so you can talk it out and resolve the issue. Be respectful of their values, their views, their privacy, those big things. And even if you don't agree with it, be respectful of it. And you can have conversations, like I said. You can have conversations, you can have debates, friendly debates about things, but still respect their views. And hopefully they will in turn respect yours. Be there for them in troubled times, really hard times. Sit with them, do errands again. Don't intrude. Don't smother them with, oh, what can I do? What can I do? No. But simply ask them, what can I do? I want to help. What can I do? And respect their answer. And if they don't know at that time, they're too frazzled to know really what they need, simply say, I'm here if you need me. Just call me. I'm a call away. Just call me anytime. And so you don't necessarily have to be physically there, staying there day and night with them, but let them know that you are there for them when they want to talk, or if they need you to run errands, etc. And show interest in their work. If they're working and they're really excited about their job, or they are excited about a project they're working on, or if they feel kind of blah about their job, or if they're angry about what their boss is doing, and or a decision their boss made, etc. Show interest in that, whether it's a good thing or a bad thing at work. Just show interest. And show interest in their family and people that they care about. You don't have to even know them, but if you know something's going on in their family, say their mother's been sick, or a child has just had surgery, ask about it. Ask about the person, ask about the situation that's going on that you're aware of, that they've maybe even told you about. Follow up. That shows that you really care. And show interest in their hobbies. Maybe they're an artist. Maybe they like model trains. Maybe they love history, and maybe they're even working on a family history. Ask them about it. See how it's going. And ask about their health issues. Say if they have health issues, maybe they've had surgery themselves, or they're going to therapy, physical therapy, or counseling, or anything. Gently ask them how it's going. If they don't want to talk about it, okay. But you're asking, you're showing interest in their health situation. And the biggest thing, one of the biggest things, all of these things are really important, but the biggest thing is be real, because people can see through fake, stuff all the time. They know when you're not serious. They know when you're not being real. So be real. If you are in this person's life, if you're a friend to them, be a friend to them. If you are, their loved one, their parent, their cousin, their sister, their, um, stepson, whatever your relationship is with this person. Be real with them and let your feelings be known. Let them know really that you care about them. Not any fakery, not any putting them on or joking or being sarcastic or anything like that. Be real. And then these things that I've been talking about have the potential for making you definitely be missed. Your absence will be felt if you do these things for others in your life. They'll know that you care. They know that you are being real and that you're somebody that they can count on. And when you're not there, they will definitely miss you. You take care, and let me know if you've been in this situation on either side. Like, who do you miss when they're not around? And has anybody ever asked you or told you that they missed you? They hadn't seen you in a long time, or you've moved away maybe, and they get on Skype with you or FaceTime, or you talk on the phone or text, and they say, "Gosh, I miss you." And doesn't that feel good? Let me know your experiences with this. I'd love to hear from you. My email is amy@acnlifecoach.com, or you can comment below, and I will catch you again next Monday with another YouTube video. Take care and have a great week. Bye-bye.